So every time I'm running late and I look at the time, I get this thought literally every time. So I say, سبحان الله لما أكون مستعجلة دقايق بصيروا ثواني ولما أكون بدي الوقت يمرق الثواني بصيروا دقايق. So what this basically means is like when I am in a hurry, the minutes become seconds. And when I need the time to pass, the seconds become minutes. So I don't know if you feel the same way, but I really feel it. أكون بركض ركض. I am running. So when we say like I'm running to do something, like I'm in a hurry, one of the expressions we say I'm running, run. Say it twice, emphasizing that like I'm in a hurry. بركض ركض. So لما أكون مستعجلة, مستعجلة means in a hurry. It's like an adjective, goes by gender. So if you were a male, you say مستعجل. If you were a female, you say مستعجلة. So لما أكون مستعجلة الدقايق plural for minutes بصيروا they become, because I'm referring to the minutes, it's plural they. دقايق بصيروا ثواني. ثواني is a plural for seconds. 1 second is ثانية and 1 minute is دقيقة. دقيقة. If دقيقة is hard for you to say, you can say دقيقة. Maybe this is also hard, but anyway. So دقايق plural they become بصيروا ثواني. ولما أكون and when I am لما when I am أكون لما أكون بدي I want الوقت يمرق, the time pass, we're referring to the time he. So الوقت يمرق ثواني بصيروا دقايق. So the seconds ثواني بصيروا they become دقايق, minutes. This is just a short audio, just a short podcast. I hope the grammar was helpful and you got it. And let me know if you have any questions. I hope this was easy to understand. And if you feel the same way, let me know. Send me a message. Tell me yes, I do feel the same way. The seconds become minutes and the minutes become seconds. And I said, Subhanallah, praise the God. Praise the God. Seconds become minutes and the minutes become seconds. This is not an Arabic idiom. I just say it. I made it because I feel it. So if you feel the same way, you can let me know. Let me know if you have any questions or if you want me to say anything in Arabic. And check out my workbooks. I also teach Arabic one-on-one. Let me know if you are interested. I offer packages. Thank you so much and see you next time.